After making that first brave decision, the next challenge is remaining faithful to it when life tests your commitment. Every meaningful change attracts resistance because your old habits will fight to survive. The familiar routine, even if it made you unhappy, will try to pull you back into its comfort. This is where many dreams quietly disappear. People mistake temporary discomfort for failure and convince themselves they made the wrong choice. Yet this difficult season is often proof that genuine transformation has already begun. Think about a seed buried beneath the soil. From the outside, it appears as though nothing is happening. Days pass, then weeks, and the ground remains unchanged. Beneath the surface, however, roots are stretching deeper before the first green leaf ever appears. Human growth follows the same pattern. The greatest changes usually begin where no one else can see them. Inspired by the timeless principles taught by Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can understand that every repeated thought becomes a powerful instruction to your subconscious mind. If you continue telling yourself that your efforts matter, your mind begins to organize your behavior around that belief. Instead of searching for reasons to quit, it starts looking for reasons to continue. Instead of magnifying problems, it begins noticing opportunities that were always there, but hidden by fear and doubt. This inner shift is far more valuable than immediate external success because it creates a foundation that cannot easily be shaken. Every morning becomes another opportunity to choose courage over comfort. Every setback becomes another chance to strengthen your character instead of surrendering your dreams. There will be days when progress feels invisible, when your confidence seems weaker than yesterday, and when the voices of criticism, both from others and from your own mind, grow louder than your hope. Those are the moments that define your future. Anyone can stay committed when results arrive quickly, but extraordinary lives are built by people who continue believing before success becomes visible. They understand that patience is not passive waiting. Patience is active faith combined with consistent action. It means showing up again and again, even when the reward has not yet appeared. Every positive thought you nurture, every disciplined habit you repeat, and every courageous action you take becomes another brick in the foundation of the person you are becoming. Over time, these small choices compound into remarkable results. One day you will look back and realize that the life you once dreamed about was never created by one dramatic event. It was built through hundreds of quiet decisions made when nobody was watching. You refused to let fear write your story. You chose belief over excuses, discipline over distraction, and purpose over comfort. That is how ordinary people create extraordinary lives. The world may only notice your success after it becomes visible, but you will always remember that everything changed the moment you decided to honor your vision every single day, even when the path ahead required faith more than certainty. Now imagine yourself 1 year from today. Picture the person you could become if you honored your brave decision every single day, even when nobody applauded your effort. Imagine waking up with a quiet confidence instead of constant anxiety. Imagine looking into the mirror and seeing someone who no longer hides behind excuses or waits for permission to pursue a meaningful life. That future version of yourself is not separated from you by luck, talent, or perfect circumstances. The only distance between who you are today and who you can become is the series of choices you make from this moment forward. Every sunrise offers another opportunity to strengthen your character, deepen your faith, and reinforce the identity you are creating. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy, remember that your subconscious mind never argues with the beliefs you consistently feed it. If you repeatedly declare that you're capable, resilient, and worthy of success, your inner mind gradually accepts those thoughts as reality. It begins aligning your actions with your beliefs, allowing confidence to replace hesitation and determination to silence fear. This transformation is not magic. It is the natural result of consistently directing your thoughts toward possibility instead of limitation. The world around you may not change immediately, but your response to the world certainly will. Instead of seeing closed doors, you will begin recognizing hidden opportunities. Instead of allowing setbacks to define you, you will treat them as lessons that prepare you for something greater. Every obstacle becomes a classroom where perseverance is developed. Every disappointment becomes a reminder that temporary defeat is never permanent unless you decide to stop moving forward. The strongest people are not those who never experience failure. They are the ones who refuse to let failure become their identity. They understand that courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to continue despite it. As you continue walking this path, your example will quietly inspire others. Family members, friends, co-workers, and even strangers may notice a new peace, confidence, and purpose within you. They may ask what changed, expecting to hear about a secret formula or a life-changing event. The answer will be beautifully simple. Everything changed because you made one brave decision and refused to abandon it. That single choice became a new habit. That habit became a new mindset. That mindset became a new life. So as this message comes to an end, let it also become the beginning of your next chapter. Refuse to let fear decide your future. Refuse to believe that your best days are behind you. Believe that the greatest opportunities still lie ahead, waiting for someone willing to take the first courageous step. Let today be remembered as the day you stopped doubting your potential and started living with intention. Your story is still being written, and the next page begins with the decision you make right now. If this message inspired you, remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more motivational content inspired by the timeless principles of Dr. Joseph Murphy. Your new life is waiting, and it begins with one brave decision today. The moment you decide to change your life is the moment your future begins to change. Most people believe transformation requires perfect timing, unlimited resources, or extraordinary talent, but that belief keeps them trapped in the same routine year after year. The truth is much simpler. Every meaningful success story begins with one courageous decision. Before the promotion, before the healthy lifestyle, before the thriving business, before the peaceful mind, there is always a single moment when someone says, "I refuse to stay where I am." That decision may seem small to everyone else, but it has the power to redirect an entire life. The teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy have inspired millions to understand that the subconscious mind responds to the thoughts and decisions we repeatedly accept as true. When you choose to believe in possibility instead of fear, you begin sending a new message to your mind. Your subconscious starts searching for opportunities where it once noticed only obstacles. It begins creating confidence where doubt once lived. It quietly changes the direction of your habits, your emotions, and eventually your results. This is why one brave decision matters so much. It is not simply about changing what you do. It is about changing who you believe you are. Many people spend years waiting for confidence before taking action. They tell themselves they will start the business once they feel ready, speak up once they become fearless, or chase their dreams after everything is perfectly planned. Yet confidence rarely arrives before action. It grows because of action. Every courageous step teaches your mind that you are stronger than you imagined. Every challenge you survive proves you are more capable than your fear suggested. Imagine standing at the edge of a new beginning. Behind you is a lifetime of excuses, disappointments, and missed opportunities. Ahead of you is uncertainty, but also hope, growth, and possibility. The only bridge connecting those two worlds is one decision. Not 10 decisions, not 100. Just one decision to move forward despite uncertainty. That is where genuine transformation begins. Life rarely changes overnight, but it can change forever because of one moment of courage. The choice you make today may seem invisible to everyone else, yet can become the foundation for every success you experience tomorrow. Every habit starts with one action. Every relationship begins with one conversation. Every achievement begins with one commitment. When you understand this truth, you stop waiting for a dramatic miracle and begin appreciating the extraordinary power hidden inside ordinary choices. Your future is not waiting for a perfect version of you. It is waiting for the version of you who is willing to take the very first brave step today.